Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the case studies applications of IT in daily use. Chapter 11, Class 9, Computer Science, SEBA Board. So first, we'll discuss about the career options in information technology or IT. Means if you do higher studies in IT or in computers, what options you can choose as your career. So here one case is given. Swades, he is the student of ABC National College, Hyderabad. As a career fair was held in his school, and there was different companies who were giving job to the students. As the Swades was student of IT, so he also want to participate on that career fair. Swades and his friend were very much inspired by Mr. Reddy and his speech. Mr. Reddy, the professor or the teacher, he gave some speech about IT, means how IT or information technology changes our life, what are the career options we can choose by studying in IT, etc. So Mr. Reddy, Swades was very much impressed by his speech. At first, Swades and his friend thought that if we study in IT or if we study about computer science, we can be only software engineer or hardware engineer. But Mr. Reddy speaks about another career, 10 career options. So here one question is given: if you are Swades, which career option you will choose and why? So the first option is support specialist. So what does support specialist do in in IT? The support specialists mainly they sit in a call center and they help people about IT applications. Like you can say the call center of our telecom companies like Jio, Airtel, or some other helping centers. When our computer does not work, or if we are getting some problem about something, we call in our helpline numbers, and from there some engineers help us. So this job is done by the support specialist. They can support us either remotely or they will come to our home physically. Then number 2, web developer. So as the name suggests, web means websites. The web developer mainly develop the web applications or websites. So if you are very much interested in making web pages or websites, then you can choose these options, web developers. And to become a web developer, you have to be good in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and some other programming language which may required, like PHP, Python, etc. Then number C, system analyst. System analyst, they study about the system and they control the system. They have all the information about the system. Mainly they sit in the server room and control all the system. And number D, database administrator. They take care of the data. To become a database administrator, you have to be very good in MySQL or SQL, Oracle, and nowadays some other databases options are there. So you have to be very good in that. If you want to be a database administrator, you can study about data science. Then you can be a database administrator. They handle the database of different companies, different websites. Then number E, IT coordinator. IT coordinator, they help us to choose different careers or different options, and they help us in different ways. Number F, computer programmer. They write the programs, they write the codes for computer programs or software. To become a computer programmer, you have to be very good in programming languages like Python, C++, C#, Java, etc. It does not mandatory that you have to good in every programming languages. Suppose you are good at Python, then you can choose Python as your core language for making software. Then number Z, IT technician. technician, they are mainly dependent as like hardware engineers. They repair the IT or electronic gadgets like computers, networking devices, etc. They take care of our IT applications. To become IT technician, you can study computer hardware, or you can prepare about CCNA examination. Then network engineer, they are almost same as IT technician. IT technician, they look after the electronic devices, but the network engineers, they mainly look after the cables and networks. They mainly look after, it can be either wired like cable or maybe wireless like Wi-Fi and all. So they look after the networks. Web administrator, they look after the websites, means the web developer, they make the websites, but the web administrator, they look after the websites, means to upload new content to the websites, to create a new user, to delete the old user, etc. Then data entry operator, just enter data into our computer system. So this way, from here you can choose any career options. And the next option, case 2, here Samir Ali, he is a class 12 student and he's belonged from a poor family. His father and mother are aged, so they cannot do any work. So he want to do a part-time job till he was doing a part-time job till 12, but after passing 12 he want to do a full-time job, as he required to look after the family. One day he saw in a newspaper that there is one job advertisement which matches with his profile. So he want to apply to the job, but to apply in the job he need a biodata. So Samir want to make the biodata, but suppose you are Samir, so what application you will choose to make the biodata and how you will make it? So to make the biodata, we'll use the application MS Word. Most of the computer already installed this application. If your computer do not have MS Word or Microsoft Office Word, then you can use some alternate application like OpenOffice Write, etc. Even you can use Google document to create your biodata. So let us see how we can make our biodata. First of all, open MS Word. You can do that one, press Windows plus R key, then you type, run menu will appear, there you type Win Word, then click on OK. So Microsoft Office Word will appear, and here some predefined template will be displayed. Here you might get biodata also. Here it's origin resume, essential resume, etc. You can choose from here also. So these resumes are there. Suppose add agency resume, so here like this way you can write here. First you will write the date, then your name and all. This is the template. Here just you can do fill up. It's look like a fill in the blank type. Just you will type your all the experience or whatever, then you can print it out. But if you want to do everything yourself from scratch or from the beginning, then first go to file menu, create a new file, choose blank document. So this page will appear. Now you'll go to layout tab, margin option is there. From here you choose narrow, so we'll choose narrow margin. Then you can choose here tab stop, so I'm selecting tab stop here. Now we'll put our cursor. First we'll set our text size. We'll set the text size as 12 and the text style as Arial. You can choose any text style whatever you like. but the standard one is good one. And while you are making the biodata, all the text style should be same. Don't make your biodata too fancy or too decorative, it's look bad. First at top we will write biodata. So for that choose center line. Now go to keep little space at top. After that make the text style as bold and make the text style 14. Now here in capital letter write biodata. Now go to the next line, make the alignment as left, text size 12 and remove the bold. Now here first you will write name. Now don't write in everything capital, because I think you already know if you write something everything in capital, in IT it's in computer or in internet it's treated as shouting, so you should not write everything in capital. So first it will be name, then you will write your name here. Suppose here Samir Ali. Sorry, the margin is too less, we have to give more margin, so choose the normal one. Samir Ali. After the name we will have option as father name, suppose Samir Ali's father is what should I give, S Ali, as we don't know who is he. Mother name we can put as S Begum. Then we have to write date of birth. Date of birth we can give 1/01/2001. Then we have to write gender. Gender will be male only. Then we have to write nationality. Sorry, caste. It's general. Then religion, but nowadays the religion column is not required, I think, because almost all the companies does not see this field. So we'll write nationality here. Nationality will be Indian. After writing the basic information about Samir, we'll write his education qualification. So here in bold we will write education qualification or academic qualification, whatever you want. Suppose we are writing education only. Education qualification. So first here we'll write HSLC. First we'll write about HSLC. Suppose he got passed in, when he should pass 2016 with 80%. Then we'll write about HS. (2018) with 82%. So suppose his education qualification are this much only. Now we'll write extra qualification or some other qualification. Other qualification. So suppose he is doing some computer courses, so CCA from the institute name, suppose NIIT. And suppose he did some other activity like art from some XYZ. Now he will write about his some basic information like hobby. Whatever hobbies he have, he can write it like reading. While writing the hobby, please keep in mind, don't put something silly that it might be bad for you while you are giving the interview. So always write about the positive things, whatever you like reading, traveling, etc. So after writing all these things, he will write here place at bottom of the page. So this will be my bottom of the page. Here you will write place, and here you will write the place name. Place name will be, suppose he is from Dispur, so Dispur. After the place, date. In date you will write the current date. Suppose today's date is 18/9/2021. Here you will write your name or signature. And he will write here your full name like Samir Ali. And while you print out the document, he will do signature at top. And for some professions the photograph is not necessary, but in some profession photography is necessary. So you can put one shape from insert menu. You will get here shapes. From here you can take one box and draw here to paste your photograph. While you paste the shape, keep the background color is black and the border is background color is white and border is black. So inside the box you can write paste your photograph. So this way you can create your biodata. I have created very simple biodata here. If you want to apply for, while you you are applying for your job, and while you are making your biodata, it reflect your personality. So the biodata should be always simple and should be look neat and tidy, and it should include all your information. So this way you can create your biodata. Now how you will save the biodata as a PDF file? If you are doing or creating your biodata in latest version of MS Office, then you will get here these options. Go to file menu, save as, choose this PC, then the folder where you want to save, suppose document folder, and here save as type, choose PDF, then suppose biodata only. Now click on save. So your biodata will be saved in document folder. Let's see it's saved or not. So this is my file explorer document folder, and let's maximize it. So this is biodata. This is my biodata as I have created, and the photograph directly you can paste from your computer, or directly you can paste here your passport photo. It's your choice. Now let's see how we can send a biodata through email. So your computer might have email option. So first we will open that, or directly you can open Gmail. So this is my Hotmail account or Outlook, which is already installed in Windows 10. Here you choose select new mail. I think okay, from your email address will be appear here, to whom you want to send. Suppose to me only I want to send. So this is my email ID. Now subject, applying for job. And here you write, sir, this is my biodata for the post of ABC in your company. Then at bottom you write regards, your name like Samir Ali. And now you have to attach the file. You will get here attach option, insert files. While you click the files, your file explorer will open. From here go to document and choose biodata. After selecting biodata, click on open. Now biodata is added. After that, click on send button. So your biodata will be sent to the respective company. So this way you can create your biodata and send to some company through email, or directly you can print out your biodata and you can send it to that particular company or the office where you want to apply for a job. So I think you have understood how we can make biodata, and in our next class we'll discuss about the next cases. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.